Hello my people, I don't come again. I one and only Ogbonge sister AB Media. Thank you guys, thank you for everything you guys are doing for me. Thank you my subscribers, my old subscribers, everyone. I greet you now. Una thank you so much for una they make my body they do jolly every time. So today I bring our Nigerian, all these our Nigerian men, wetin dem dey talk. I no understand though, my people. Abeg make una help me ask them o. Make una help me ask them question. You know see Don Jazzy and other people dem dey talk say they wan they be I no understand the way I go take pronounce am o. You know say me I no go school but I want to tell una something o. Why I say make I tell una. They say dem be stingy men association. I no understand though. Abeg make una help me ask them. Before they bring the money before. Now they come dey talk say dem be stingy men association. If you want to enter, you should enter. Which one be the stingy men association? Person wey be aka stingy na aka stingy. Person wey be say e stingy before. So you wey dey talk say una be stingy men association, I no understand which kind of name is that one. Na not a person no go see for this our God go help us o. He say stingy men association. Una stingy already now. Na today una wan come start am. No, una don stingy long time. Una be aka gum, aka aladite. But make I tell una, as una dey be stingy men association. No be say if e reach the time wey be say una don take the other one and take the other one and come shayo finish, una come take everything finish, come back, come dey find where una go put am. Where una go put am? Make una remember the way we as una talk say una be stingy men association. That time I go tell una something. Be women like me, I wan tell una o. As dem say dem be stingy men association, dem want to be stingy for us more. You know say before dem be aka gum, aka aladite. So now dem say dem want to stingy more for us. Wetin I dey advise una, make una dey do o. You see padlock, go buy padlock your the other one. Padlock carry the key throw away another place, throw am for water. You understand me? Where they don go take everything to come back, the thing come dey do them tum 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 tum. My sister, no give them o. You go remember them. Say you remember you say you be stingy men association. So bring the money. So you go dey tell them make you bring the money. As you say you be stingy men, you know say they know they feel hold their body. Amen. They know they feel hold their body. So by the time where that thing go they do them tum 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 tum. My sister, that time remember am say e be stingy men association. E be stingy women association for that one o. You understand? You hold your thing well. You tell them say I'm the stingy women in my association, so no bringing that one. So I beg my people. Now I say make I halal you now. Make I tell you now. Make we shine our eye well. Now wetin dey rain everywhere. Then they say stingy. Na so then they talk. Then they say them be stingy men association. I say which is stingy men association is that one? They want to come be stingy more for us. They stingy before. They won't come finish us with stinginess. Abeg una help me ask them o. Don Jazzy and the co. They say they want to be stingy more for us o. Where they stingy before. They stingy long time. So they won't come start this stinginess again. They won't come add for the one where they get before. Okay, my sister. So I beg make we buy padlock to padlock our thing o. Padlock our thing, hold our thing well. So where they go come, where they go waka come. Say mommy, lovey, sugar, hey oh baby, forget that thing when I say no, na play. You go change am for am, you go tell am say Tebi say be stingy men association. Me and be padlock association. Now I get. So you go hold your thing, hold am well. Na advice wey I dey tell una. As they say them be stingy men. My sister, make we learn how to stingy in our own. Make we hold on to stingy in our own. By the time where they go take it, by the time where they go take everything, that time where they go take ogogoro by daddy, every monkey tell everything where they go come they find us. That time where they go they find where they go put the thing. My sister, make you hold am o. Remember them say we be stingy women. As I say, in the night, they hold am wella. Na so you go hold am. If they tell you say my wife, my love, my sugar, you go tell am say my baby, my honey, my everything. But we be stingy women association. We don't be stingy for that one. So make we than they tell them, oh, you know, see, don't they talk and since now wetin dey rain, they say they be stingy, they be stingy, they be stingy, they be stingy. Then they stingy for our. Can you imagine the way they stingy before? This long time they stingy. Now today they stingy. No be today they stingy for us. It's very very long time they stingy for us, my sisters. Very long time they stingy for us. So now make me I just they see this one. They say they want to add for the stingy where they. My sister, I beg, make hold padlock. Make if you don't have padlock, go and buy padlock and padlock your everything. Padlock and well. Padlock and well. So when they stingy, by the time where they go take everything to come back. Where the thing go they do them piam 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 piam. That time you go remember and say you be stingy women association. Now you be. You understand me? You know they feel hold yourself. You know say where the thing they hold them. My sister, you go know say you go they talk all the whole English wey you know for body. Now that time you go they beg my honey. You know say na play my baby. You know say now you understand me. So Mona keep quiet. I like us to keep quiet for the talk because now know say where they go need them. Then go come they give us the guy name. That time I go show am say on a channel bossy no be the same. So my sisters, now they tell una say make we be stingy women for that one association. Make we hold our thing, oh, make we hold bachichaya, or you understand me? Bachichaya. So make we be stingy women association. Make una know wetin I dey talk. Make una understand wetin me I dey talk, oh. Make we be stingy women association. If na padlock, hold am well. So make them jazzy them. Make them be stingy man association. We be women stingy women association. Boku they hold our thing. So if then they vest, make them they vest. By the time where they go shy your finish, then go find where they go hold am. That time they go they find. Oh my God, why I said like that? No English for this one. No English. You understand me? And at that time you go hold am, you go tell am say you be stingy women association. Abeg make una dey see these people o. Make una dey see these people. Inyanga dey I no understand the how dem dey speak the grammar. Person go dey Inyanga go to find am o. I no understand the kind thing wey dem dey talk o. Una dey take stingy before. Una wan come join the stinginess. Abeg me I dey wait for una na. Why I carry everything na? As I carry my body everything. I go show una pepper na. Make e come na. I'm a stingy woman.